सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 108, verse 32. अन्वयव्यतिरेकाभ्याम् धीमयो जीवबन्धकृत् सत्यस्मिन् सुखदुःखे स्तः तस्मिन् न सति न द्वयम्. We are seeing the very important topic of Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. Jiva Srishta Dvaitam is the cause for samsara. Vidyaranya establishing in these shlokas through Anvaya Vyatireka. Jiva Srishti Sattve Samsara Sattvam. Jiva Srishta Abhave Samsara Abhavaha. Jiva Srishta Dvaitam through Anvaya Vyatireka means, Anvaya means simultaneous presence of two things is called Anvaya. Simultaneous presence of two things is called Anvayahan. Vyatireka means simultaneous absence of two things is called Vyatirekaha. Simultaneous absence of two things is called Vyatirekaha. So Anvaya can be called as co-presence. Anvaya can be called as co-presence. Vyatireka can be called as co-absence. Co-absence. Co-presence means Anvaya, co-absence means Vyatireka. Jiva Srishti Sattvam, Samsara Sattvam, Anvaya, co-presence. Two are there. As the human being, Manorajya, Srishti is there, Samsara, Dukkha, Sukha are bound to be there. Sukha, Dukkha, pleasure and pain are because of that human mind or Jiva Srishti Dvaitam, the duality created by the human mind. The duality created by the human mind is the cause for the pleasure and pain. So he says here, Anvaya Vyatirekaabhyam, because of the co-presence and co-absence of what? Dhimayaha. Dhimayaha means Jiva Srishtihi. Dhi means mind. Mayaha means endowed with. The mind endowed with likes and dislikes about the objects and people. Dhimayaha, Jivaha, that person. Jivaha means individual. That human being. The one who is having his own projection towards people. Good or bad, right or wrong, all these projections of one's own mind, bandhakrita, bounds or binds the person. Bandhakrita means what? Bondage. This Dhimayaha is the cause, creator of bandha. One's own mental projection is the cause for bondage. Bondage means what? The mind is under turbulence. Mind is restless. Mind is so uneasy. There is a sickness in the mind. Fear, worry, anxiety, tension, stress, depression, all these will come in the mind. Voidness, emptiness, dullness, laziness, everything. Sati asmin sukha dukkhe staha. Sati asmin, when it is present, when dhimayaha sati. Dhimayaha vrittirupamana sadvaita prapanche sati. Dhimayaha sati. Dhimayaha vrittirupa manasa prapancha. Outside prapancha is Ishvara Srishti. Dhimayaha is vrittirupa manasa prapancha. Big prapanchame irukku. There is a huge prapancha. That is why people are brain vedikka poradhu and what bring to break kanna. Break da பெரிய ஆட்டம் பாம்பு வச்சின மாதிரி தான். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ தீமயா சதி விருத்தி ரூபமான சத்வைத பிரபஞ்சே சதி ஜீவபந்தகிருத் இஸ் த காஸ் ஆஃப் பந்தா. அஸ்மின், when the internal dvaitam, asmin sati. Asmin sati means when internal dvaitam is present, co-present. If one present, anvaya means what I said, co-presence of two things. So here asmin sati means what? The internal manasa prapanche sati, one is there. The second ஏதாவது இருக்கணுமே, co-presence என்ன, அது என்ன? சுக துக்கே ஸ்தாஹா. Co-presence one is a mental thoughts projection, manasa prapancha. If it is there, for anvaya you require one more. Sukha dukkhe staha. Sukha, pleasure, dukkha, pain, staha, bound to be there. Pleasure and pain bound to be there. Now we have to do a reasoning. Why at all we have pleasure and pain? From morning to till night, every day, every week, throughout the week, not once in a week, throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the year, throughout the decades, why I have to undergo pleasure and pain? For with that Vidyaranya says, onnume illa, dhimayaha asvin sati. Your manorajyam is there, no? You have attachment towards body, mind, complex and related family members, and your own projections are going on and on and on. That is the cause for sukha dukkhe staha. This is anvaya, co-presence. Jiva srishti sati, sukha dukkha sati is there, present. Now co-absence is what? Asmin na asati. Tasmin na asati. Jiva srishta asati. When that internal manasa prapancha is not there, when that internal manasa prapancha is not there, when in deep sleep, bahya prapancha is there or not while you are sleeping? Ishvara Srishtadvaitam is there or not? It is there. Your body is also there. Everything is there. But what is not there? Dukkha is not there. Sukha is also not there. Sukha means that sukha born out of your daughter-in-law and daughter-in-law vechikalam. Okay, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, grandson, granddaughter, this sukha born out of them is not there in deep sleep. So, as long as your mind is functioning, there is bound to be sukha and dukkha. The moment it is not there, no sukha dukkha. Therefore, what is the corollary? What is the corollary? Ajnana sattve. Why is this projection? Why my mind projects? Why my mind thinks in this manner with likes and dislikes? Ajnanam. Atma ajnani sati samsara sattvam. Atma ajnanam eva jiva srishta dvaita karanam. நல்ல கொட்டை எழுத்துல எழுதுக்கணும். Atma Ajnanam eva Jiva Srishtadvaita Karanam. Jiva Srishtadvaitameva Sukha Dukkhasya Karanam. So, Atma Ajnanam means self-ignorance alone is the cause of. Atma Ajnanam alone is the cause. That means self-ignorance is the cause of the creation of the individual universe. That individual universe means what? Jiva Srishta Dvaitam alone is the cause for Sukha Dukkha. Now, where is Sukha Dukkha? Tell me. Are they outside? I cannot accept Swamini. My mother-in-law is outside. I am getting Dukkham because of my mother-in-law. How can you say Dukkham is because of my mind? I can accept anything except this. Very, very difficult to accept, no? Therefore, na dvayam, no sukha, no dukkha. In deep sleep, there is no sukha, no dukkha. What we talk of sukha in deep sleep, aham sukham asvapsam, that is Atmanandam, not Vishayanandam. Dvayam here he says sukha dukkha means this sukha is Vishaya sukham. Pratibimba sukham, Bahya sukham, Vastujanya sukham, Anubhava janya sukham. That is not we are talking in the deep sleep. That is Atmanandam. Okay, I think there is a difference. Okay. Anubhavananda or Vishayananda Rupa Ananda is not there here. Pain also is not there. Okay. Now, this is Anvaya Vitareka. Okay. In the Nalla Gnapa Vichindi, Mananam Pandinde Irkano. To come out of pain and Solalam. To pleasure also Solrar. That is the problem. To come out of pain, I can stop Jiva Srishtadvaitam. To come out of Sukham also சொல்றாரு. அது எப்படி ஒத்துக்க முடியும்? எனக்கு சுகமோ சுகமோ விழுந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். அப்படியே I am struggling for Sukha. Sukha also comes in Vishaya Sukha is not a Sukha. Vishaya Sukha is not a Sukha. That is why every Vishaya Sukha is a potential sorrow. Every Vishaya Sukha is a potential sorrow. Once I want to come out of that potential sorrow caused Sukha, also I can come out of Jiva Srishtadvaitam. Nammella ennanna, we have selective amnesia. I want to come out of Dukkham, but I don't want to come out of Sukham, born out of my grandson, granddaughter. One lady said, it seems Swamiji always quotes that example. You have to drop attachment with your son, grandchildren. Then only you will get moksha. Then that lady said, Swamiji, I don't want moksha. I don't want moksha. If you say I have to drop attachment with my son, it is impossible for me. Therefore, I drop moksha. I drop attachment with moksha. My son, only son, Tangamana Payan. Innu Kalyana Agale. Not yet married. Okay. Gold like Tangamana Payan. Put Payan Payaning Marakano and Solrena. And again, the moksha and the Venda Swami and Solra. At the Madri, people ready to drop Dukkham, not ready to drop Sukham. A mature person is ready to drop even Sukham, which is born out of contact bond. Sense object contact bond is Sukha, is not a Sukha. That is a Brahma. We are not knowing that Brahma. We are carried away by the Sukham. Therefore, Sukha, Dukkha. Punya, Papa also you have to drop, and Sukha, Dukkha also you have to drop. Now let us go to the 33 sloka. Now he is giving in Ishvara Srishti, this Anvaya Vetareka doesn't work. In Jiva Srishti only Anvaya Vetareka nalla vela pannum. Whereas in Ishvara Dvaitam, there is no Anvaya Vyatireka functioning. How? We read the shloka. Asatyapi cha bahyarthe swapnadau madhyate naraha samadhi supti murchasu satyapyasminna madhyate. Very nice, important shloka. Bahyarthe swapnadau bahyarthe asatyapi naraha badhyate. Anvaya drishtanta is not working here. Anvaya drishtanta is not working. Anvaya means what? One is present, another is also must be present. So, co-presence. One is present, another must be present. If Ishvara Srishtadvaitam is the cause for your sorrow, world alone is the cause for sorrow, he is asking, Swapnadau, in your dream, Swapnadau, Bahyarthe asatyapi. When there is no external world for you, in Swapna, do you have that external world? We don't have. For you it is not there. Swapnado bahya artha means external objects. Asatyapi. They are not there. You are not seeing any and the zoological park elephant. You are not seeing any your mother-in-law who is sleeping in the next room. You are not seeing the neighbor also who is back side of your house. You are not seeing anything. Asatyapi. Bahyartha. Ishvara Srishtadvaitam asatyapi. In your dream, what happening? Badhyate naraha. I am bound in my own dream. I am suffering in my dream. Lot of bad dreams are coming. Am I bound or not? Now you are Jiva Srishti alone is the cause for samsara. Cholradhiki example cholrar. Emphasis. Bahyartha world is not there. External objects are not there. But in dream you are seeing scorpion. In dream you are seeing elephant chasing you. In dream you are seeing the snake. In dream you are seeing rain. In dream you are seeing fire. In dream you are seeing train missing. In dream you are seeing ticket loss. In dream you are seeing money loss. In dream you are seeing you have விழுந்துட்டேள் கீழே. இதெல்லாம் இல்லையே. You are not seeing the ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி உனக்கு இல்லை அப்போ. ஆனாலும் நீ கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்கே இல்லையா? కనుక ఈశ్వర సృష్టిలో అన్వయం వేల పండలే. ஏன்னா ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட நீ ஸ்வப்னத்தினால ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி பண்ணி அந்த வாசனை இருக்கு இல்லையோ மனசுல, அது பண்ணி எப்படியாவது சஃபரிங் யூ ஆர் மேனேஜிங் டு சஃபர். தட் இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன். அன்வயா நாட் ஒர்க்கிங் இன் ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி இருக்கு, ஆனால் உனக்கு இல்லை துக்கம் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு இல்லையோ. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி வெள்ளி இல்லை, உனக்கு இல்லை. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி இருந்தாலும் கூட உனக்கு இல்லை. பாஹ்யார்த்தா நாஸ்தி. ஈவன் the dream objects are not there really. Dream objects are not there really. They are there really? When they are not there, why you are suffering? You are great. You are great. Swapnadau bahyarthaha asatyapi. And the dream elephant, dream scorpion, dream water, dream fire, are they really? They are not there. But then why you are suffering in dream? And கெட்ட கணம் வராமலே ஏதாவது மந்திரம் சொல்லுங்கோ. என்ன வரட்டுமே என்ன அம்மோ நைட்டு மேர் நைட்டு மேர் கூட வரக்கூடாது. என்ன ஏன் பொருள் இல்லாமல் எப்படி வருது? என்ன வருது? அதுதானே மைண்ட் கிரேட்னஸ். So, asatyapi bahyarthe swapnado naraha badhyate, bound by those objects, suffering by those objects. Okay? Mother-in-law is fighting in dream also. So she is fighting. Here also she is not leaving me. எப்படி அதே மனசு தானே அங்கே ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணுறது. ஈவன் ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட மாமியார் இஸ் நாட் தேர். ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட மாமியார் she is not there. She has gone to America for 6 months. She has gone to America for 6 months. Daughter's house. Still you are having that pain. No, she is going to come. Email vandadu. She has got email that day. Mother-in-law, father-in-law both are going to come day after tomorrow. So she started dreaming. Bahyarthe asatyapi Ishvara Srishta Mamiyar is not there. Even சொப்னத்தில் மாமியார் நிஜமா இருக்கான்னா அதையும் கிடையாது. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க பத்தியத்தே நரஹா பத்தியத்தே. Whereas ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட துவைத்தம் இருக்கும்போதும் கூட there is no துக்கா. செகண்ட் வெத்திரேகா எக்ஸாம்பிள். அன்வயா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன். வெத்திரேகம்னா ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி இருக்கும்போது துக்கம் இல்லையே. வெத்திரேக வாட் இஸ் தட்? சமாதி சுப்தி மூர்ச்சாசு சத்யபி அஸ்மின் ந பத்யதே. சத்யபி மீன்ஸ் வாட்? பாஹ்ய பிரபஞ்ச சத்யபி. பாஹ்ய பிரபஞ்ச இஸ் தேர். ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி துவைத்தம் இஸ் தேர். When Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam is there, the duality created by the Ishvara, the world, is there tangibly. But when you are in Samadhi, deep absorption, meditation, if you are in Samadhi practice, this Ishvara Srishta world cause any problem for you? Is there dukkha at that time in Samadhi? No. What about Supti, in Sushupti? Is there any dukkha? Nidra? No dukkha. Ishvara Srishti Dvaitam irukka illaya? Irukka. Velil irukku. But no dukkha for you. If Ishvara Srishti Dvaitam alone is the cause, it must give pain. But in deep sleep it is not there. In Samadhi it is not there. In Murcha, suppose you get faint. No? Some people get fainting. And the fainting time also, they won't get any pain at all of this world. That is what Samadhi, Supti, Murcha. So, Samadhi means a person with dream from external world. Voluntarily he comes out of the withdrawn. A person withdrawn from the external world voluntarily is called Samadhi. A person when he voluntarily withdrawn from the world is called Samadhi. Once you are in deep sleep, adi solla venda, adi namakku theriyum. Ena Samadhi abhyasanna explanation pannanum. Supti namakku theriyume. Murcha means coma, swoon. Even cobra is crawling on the body. Ishvara Srishta cobra is crawling on the body. Nischintaha. Nischintaha. Not there. So Vyatireka. Vyatireka means what? Sukha, Dukkha is not there in spite of Ishvara Srishti. In spite of Ishvara Srishti. This is called Vyatireka Drishtanta. So Anvaya Vyatireka doesn't work in the case of Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. So therefore Ishvara Dvaite Sati api samsara abhavaha. What is the final conclusion of this shloka? Ishvara Dvaite Satyapi Samsara Abhavaha. In Samadhi, Murcha and Supti. First line enna sonnaru? Ishvara Dvaita Abhave api Ishvara Dvaita Abhave api Samsara Bhavaha. Anvaya. Ishvara Dvaita Abhave api. First line la. Bahyartham asatyapi. In dream, Bahyartha is not there. External object is not there. Bahyartha asatyapi. That is called Ishvara Dvaita Abhavi. second line, first line meaning ide. Ishvaradvaita abhave api. In dream, Ishvaradvaitam is not there actually. Abhame api samsara bhavaha. Badhyate naraha means what? Samsara bhavaha. Bhavaha in the present. Anvayam. One ille, one irike. Kanaka Ishvara Srishtila, Anvayamu Vela Pandad. What about the second line? Vitareka Drishtanta. Ishvara Srishti Irukkum Bodhum Kuda Dukkha Sukhamu illa. So therefore what? Jiva Srishti alone is the cause for samsara. This one analyze pannitona moksham easy. Kartala malakam. Analyze pannanume. Cheppulu pottane marakakudadu. Slokam. Next shloka. In dream, there is samsara bhavaha because there is jiva dvaitam in dream. Jiva dvaitam caused by your manasika vasanas. Waking lanemo, mind is creating problem. In dream, mental vasanas are creating problem. That's why waking and dream both are problem if you are in jiva srishti. Okay? Duradesham gate putre jivatkevatra tatpita vipralambhakavakyena mritam matva praroditi. Another example Vidyaranya is giving. This example, if you have difficulty in understanding, suppose anybody is not able to understand Anvaya, Vyatireka, both are all technical. Suppose you are not able to understand, let me analyze the same Anvaya Vyatireka with another example so that you can understand, I hope, Vidyaranya using the another example. What example? Na? I will give the gist of the shloka. Then you can understand easily. Jiva Srishtadvaitam alone is the cause for samsara dukkha. Nartham. Samsaram anna dukkham anartham. Sukham? Sukham also dukkham only. Okay. Potential sorrow. Sukha is potential sorrow. So both are dukkham only. How can you establish that? Na? See in this example, one person, ஒரு அப்பா இருக்கார். இந்த அப்பாவோட பையன் எங்கேயோ இருக்கார் அப்ராட்ல. அண்ட் ஒன் பர்சன் அவனுக்கு எப்போவுமே ஒரு ஃபால்ஸ் நியூஸ் கொடுக்கறதுல ஒரு ஆனந்தம். அவன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு, இவன் பையன் இறந்துட்டான்னு சொல்லிட்டான் ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல. Deliberately or unknowingly, by ignorance, some accident happened somewhere. At that time, his son also traveling. Almost news everyone lost in that accident, gone. அப்போ அவன் என்ன பண்ணிட்டான், உங்கள் பையன் இறந்துட்டான்னு சொல்லிட்டான். Not knowing clearly, just like that he said. And this person got the news and he started crying. My person, I have lost my son, I have lost my son. Crying. That means what? Really speaking, that son not passed away, he is alive. He is alive. But this person who gave the false news, because of that news he is crying now. The Ishvara Srishta son is alive. He is in the office. He is doing his work. இங்கே அப்பா என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, he is preparing, he is calling all people, I have lost my son, I have lost my son, crying. இது எவரு சிருஷ்டி? ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி. ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட சன் இருக்காரு அங்கே. ஜீவ சிருஷ்டா இவன் மனசு ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் பண்ண அந்த தாட் நியூஸ் he is crying now. இந்த துக்கத்துக்கு காரணம் ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டியா ஜீவ சிருஷ்ட? அப்பா புரியறது இல்லையோ? Look into the shloka now. Duradesham gate putre jivatyeva atra. Duradesham gate. The son who is in Duradesha, far away country. The sun is, nowadays all are far only, that's why Vidyaranya knows that time itself. అందుకని దూరదేశం எழுதிட்டாரு. దూరదేశం గతే పుత్రే, that son who is in that far place, jivati eva, he is alive. Jivati means it's not a verb here, it is a noun. Jivat takarantaha pullingaha jivat shabdaha. Jivan jivanto jivantaha. Jivati is saptami, seventh case. When he is alive, jivati eva, he is alive only. Atra, in this case, what happened? Tat pita, his father, vipralambhaka vakyena. Vipralambhaka means a person who conveys false news always. Who conveys false news. Some people are very hurry, without thinking, fast they make decisions. They come to conclusions and they talk also. They do not know really what happened, but they are so hurry and they come to conclusion and they talk. Like that fellow is called Vipralambhakaha, who is always giving false information, false news. Vipralambhaka, tasya vakyam. His vakyam, his statement, his news, his words, because of that false news of that person, mritam matva, the father thought, what? My son has died. My son has died. Mritam, died, matva, considered. That considered one, matva enartham, manas enartham. Anga matva lane tvantam, avyayam, matva anna manu. மனு தாத்துலேருந்து வந்தது. கணக்கு மனசு ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன். மத்வா நாட் ஞாத்வா, மத்வா. மத்வாக்கு ஞாத்வாக்கு நமக்கு ரெண்டுமே தெரியுதுன்னா பரவாயில்ல. மத்வாக்கு ஞாத்வாக்கு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்கா. மத்வான்னா கன்சிடர்டு, ஞாத்வான்னா நோயிங். மத்வா ஹேவிங் தாட் சச் தட் வே, பிரரோதிதி, started crying, grieving, lamenting, praroditi. Now Ishvara Srishtadvaite putraha asti, Jiva Srishtadvaite putraha nasti, tasmat roditi. That's why he grieves. Now for that father, dukkhathukku yaar karanam? Ishvarana appava. அந்த அப்பாவுடைய மனஸ், அவர் கொஞ்சம் என்கொயரி பண்ணுறான் இல்லையோ. And the false news, he has taken it as real. Isn't it? One more example கொடுக்கட்டுமா? Local example. Not a nice example, but unpleasant examples only. See, பயாப்சிக்காக டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு அனுப்புவான். அங்கே எங்கேயோ கட்டி இருக்கு, இதே பெயின் இருக்குது, அங்கே இருக்குன்னா டாக்டர் சொல்லுவார் பயாப்சி பண்ணுன்னா. சரி, பயாப்சிக்காக டெஸ்ட்டு கொடுத்தான். அது உடனே வராது. 10 நாள் கழிச்சோ 15 1 month கூட ஆகும் ஒரு வாட்டி. ஸோ அந்த பயாப்சிக்கு ஐ ஹவ் கிவன் ஃபார் த டெஸ்ட், தென் இட் கம்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் 1 month. இந்த 1 month இவன் என்ன பண்ணுறான்? பயமா எனக்கு வந்திருக்கும், எந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் சேரணும், கேன்சர் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும், என்ன பண்ணணும், அதெல்லாம் திங்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். தென் ஆஃப்டர் 1 month கேம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம் at all, no complaint, nothing, very clear, perfect health. That means what? அந்த டாக்டர்ஸ் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட துவைத்தத்தில் ஒரு டிசீஸு கிடையாது, கேன்சர் கிடையாது, ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. இந்த கேன்சர் செல்ஸே கிடையாது அவனுக்கு. ஆனால் இவன் என்ன நினச்சிட்டு இருக்க 1 month கேன்சர் செல் எங்கே இருக்க, காலில் இருக்கா, கையில் இருக்கா, தலையில் இருக்கா, முதுகில் இருக்கா நினச்சிட்டு இருக்கா. ஸோ ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டியில் கேன்சர் இல்லை, ஜீவ சிருஷ்டியில் கேன்சர் இருக்கு. He was struggling and struggling so much and looking at money also, how much money I have, how much money I have to spend. இல்லைன்னா வெளிநாட்டுக்கு போகலாமா ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு, அங்கே என்ன நன்னா பண்ணுவானா, இதெல்லாம் பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. இல்லாத கேன்சருக்கு வெளிநாட்டுக்கு போய் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டுக்காக பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. தேவையா? சரி, இன்னொரு இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணுவா தெரியுமோ, இது பாருங்க, ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி துவைத்தம்லாம் கிடையாது, ஆனால் இவனை சஃபர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. Another case என்னன்னா, sometimes a person who is suffering with cancer, that person suppose is going to die within 6 months or 1 year, doctor says to his relatives, family members, don't tell to the patient. Patient ke solladungo. Up these people, family members, they keep it secret. என்ன கேன்சர் இருக்கு அவருக்கு, அவர் இங்கே கொஞ்ச நாளில் போகிறாரு. அப்போ டாக்டர்ஸ் என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, சொல்லாதுங்க, அவனுக்கு சீக்கிரமே போயிடுவார், அதனால நீங்கள் சொல்ல வேண்டாம். இட் அக்ரவேட்ஸ் த ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டியில் துவைத்தம்லாம் அவனுக்கு கேன்சர் இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் பட் திஸ் பர்சன் ஹேஸ் நாட் ரிசீவ்ட் தட் நியூஸ். தேர்ஃபோர் ஹீ இஸ் ஹாப்பி. எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கான். என்ன புரியறதா? So therefore, understand what is Ishvara Srishti, what is Jiva Srishti. In next shloka, he is giving the example. Same father, really son died, but he had not received the news. Firstல வந்து இருக்கும் போதேமோ போயிட்டாருன்னு நினச்சிட்டான். செகண்ட்ல போயிட்டா தன் பையன் இல்லை, ஆனாலும் அவனுக்கு இந்த நியூஸு தெரியல. அதனால பையன் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லி சந்தோஷமா இருக்கான், அவன் போயிட்டான். Okay, look into the next shloka 35. Mritepi tasmin vartayam ashrutayam naroditi atas sarvasya jivasya बंधकृन्मानसं जगत्. Okay, examples only just to enjoy. Okay, don't think seriously. Okay, என்ன வித்யாரண்யர் போய் இதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறாருன்னு சில பேருக்கு பயம். இந்த மாதிரி நியூஸ் எல்லாம் சொன்னாலே பயம் பயமாக இருக்கும், இப்படிலாம் எடுக்கக்கூடாது. See, மிருதி அப்பி, when the son is really dead, suppose, because of some accident, that he has lost his son. Mrite api, even though he is died. Tasmin vartayam asrutayam. That varta, the news, that a death news of the son has not come, has not reached him. Asrutayam, he has not received. But he has not received that news. Therefore, what? Naroditi. He think my son is alive only. Therefore, naroditi. He is not grieving. Ataha. Therefore what? Therefore means wherefore. Sarvasya jivasya bandhakrit manasam jagat. Ishvara jagatil manasam jagateva sarvasya jivasya bandhakrit. Bondage is nothing but only the creation of the jivas. How is jivas create? Manasam. Mentally we are all projecting so much which is not happened really. What happens also, if we do not know, no sorrow. What has not happened, if you think it is happened, there is sorrow. What has not happened, if you think it is happened, you will get sorrow. What has happened really, if you don't think, if you do not know that also, no sorrow. So what? So what, God? So what? You have to think, my mind alone is the cause for sorrow, pleasure, pain. Care of my Shivaratri talk. Okay, last year Shivaratri talk. Last year. Are there two creations? Yes or no? If you want, still it is available on website. Listen. Okay. So based on this only I gave that talk. Understand? So therefore, why we have to study this? The pain pleasure, what I am experiencing, I am responsible. Pain or pleasure, what am I experiencing every moment, pleasure or pain, every day, every week, every month, whole month, no one is responsible. Understand this. Until today we were thinking what? That person's behavior is the cause for my pain, sorrow. This is the biggest mistake we have committed. We are committing also. We have committed previous years, and we are committing also. Vidyaranya says, why you have to do that? You need not suffer like this. Come out of the Jiva Srishti. Allow the Ishvara Srishti, live in Ishvara Srishti. Therefore, Ishvara Srishti lo dosham illai. Eppadi, even though the person is alive, this person thought he died, he is crying. Even the person died also, in Ishvara Srishta Dvaitamla, போயிட்டான். ஆனாலும் இருக்குன்னு நினைச்சு சந்தோஷமா இருக்க. அப்படி எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நினைச்சு சந்தோஷப்படுறது மானசமா பாஹ்யமா? மானசம். இப்போ இந்த சுகத்துக்கு கூட என்ன காரணம்? பையன் இருக்கன்னு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கான். என்ன காரணம்? ஈஸ்வரனா காரணம்? உன்னுடைய மனசு தான். இது மாதிரி எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் டு ஆல் யுவர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்சஸ். லைக் திஸ், whenever you have sorrow, whenever you have pleasure also, there is no pain or pleasure in worldly objects. There is no pain or pleasure in worldly objects. Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. இன்னும் நல்லா தரோவாக புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். புரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட ஒத்துக்காது மனசு. After understanding also, you require a lot of time for assimilation. Then only you can establish in that what? Without Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, you can remain only in Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. You can be free from sorrow for good. Now next shloka. With this, Jiva Srishta Dvaitam alone is the cause he has established. Ataha sarvasya jivasya, without exception. நம்ம மட்டுமே இல்லை, நமக்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே, all jivas suffering இதுதான். Only human beings, not other beings. Because they don't have this problem, they are instinctive, just they like live in a programmed life. Even சில domestic animals எல்லாம் கூட இருக்கு, ஜீவ சிருஷ்ட துவைத்தம் இருக்கு அவனுக்கு. டொமெஸ்டிக் அனிமல்ஸ்னு டாகு, கேட்டு, அது நினைக்கிறது நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம்னு, அது சந்தோஷம் வருது. நம்ம கொடுக்கல, அதுக்கு சந்தோஷம் போயிடுது. இது கூட கொஞ்சம் இருக்குது அதுக்கு கூட. ஓகே. அத்தஹா சர்வஸ்ய ஜீவஸ்ய பந்தகிருத்து வாட்? மானசம் ஜெகத். இப்படி ரெண்டு கிரியேஷன் இருக்கா இல்லையா? நம்ம மானசம் ஜெகத்து, ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்ட ஜெகத்து. அது நீங்கள் கிரியேட் பண்ணல, இது மாத்திரம் நல்லா கிரியேட் பண்ணுறோம் நம்ம. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா இஸ் ஃபுல்லி டெக்னிக்கல் ஸ்லோகா. academically it is not is connected to this subject, but based on the above point, one Purvapakshi is coming and asking, what is that question? Just I will give the brief idea about that shloka, then I will explain. We will read first shloka. Vijnanavado bahyartham vaiyarthyasyadiheti chet ध्यास्यादिहेति चेत् नह्यद्याकारमाद्यातुं बाह्यस्यापेक्षितत्वतः. In the second line there is a correction. Adhatum, and the tum on the top there is a dot to be there. Dot is missing, you have to put a dot. Adhatum. What is the gist of this shloka? The Purvapakshi is asking, O Advaiti, Vidyaranya kekrar, O Vidyaranya, you are telling Sukha, Dukkha are because of mental projection. Manasam, Manorajyam. Your Sukha Dukkha are not in Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. It is only Manasa Srishtam. Ishvara Srishti, there is no dosha at all. There is no Sukha nor Dukkha. Neither pleasure nor pain in Ishvara Srishti. You are telling only the pleasure, pain are because of mental projection. There is Sukha Dukkha. I accept. That means what? The external world is useless. Ishvara Srishti is useless. Why? Ishvara Srishti is not giving either pleasure or pain. Pleasure கொடுக்காமலே பெயின் கொடுக்காமலே இருக்கிற உலகம் அது மூலமா என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? நிஷ்பிரயோஜனம். There is no prayojanam. Therefore, you are telling what? Ishvara Srishti is mithya because it is useless. It is useless. Therefore, there is no Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam really. That is Shunyam because it is Nishprayojanam. It is not giving Sukha nor Dukkha. Why? Your Sukha Dukkha coming because of your mind only. There is no Sukha Dukkha in Ishvara Srishti. Therefore, Ishvara Srishti is useless. Useless creation is useless. Useless creation is which is useless is not at all there. Not at all there. Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam is not there. It is only mental projection. Therefore, what? You are not a Advaiti, you are a Buddhist and children. Kshanika Vijnanavadi says the same thing. Therefore, you also Buddhist only. How can you say you are Advaiti? You are also a type of Buddhist. There are 4 types of Buddhism. Srautrantrika, Vaibhashika, Kshanika Vijnanavadi, Shunyavadi. So 4 types of Buddhists. Among them, Kshanika Vijnanavadi is one who is Yogachara Matam. For him and you, there is no difference. That's why some people say Shankaracharya is a Buddhist. Hidden Buddhist. Hidden Buddhist nu vedile theriyadu Buddhist madri avar Buddhar madri da avar philosophy apdi da irukonu solra. Enna avanukku adiyum theriyadu idiyum theriyadu adanaல they blame Shankaracharya. They don't study properly. Therefore you should know why we are not accepting Buddhism also we should know. What is the difference? Now look into the shloka. Vijnanavadaha bahyartha vaiyarthasyat iti iha. Vaiyasyad iha iti. Iha means in this world. Iha, in this subject matter. Vijnanavadaha, Yogachara Bauddha Vijnanavadaha or Kshanika Vijnanavadaha. According to him, Bahyarthaha Vaiyarthasyad. Bahyarthaha means Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. That universe created by Ishvara. Nama Rupa, duality created by Ishvara. Vaiyartham means vridha. Iti vaiyarthaha. Vridha. Vaiyartham means waste, useless, purposeless. Vaiyarthyat. Vaiyarthyat syad iha. It will become useless. Iti. Suppose you say so. Vidyaranya raising a Purvapakshis question here. If you say so, iti chet, if you ask like that, na, put full stop, na, it is not like that. Oh, Purvapakshi, what you are thinking is not right. Bahyartha is useless. For Sukha Dukkha, mind projection itself sufficient. Why external universe? My mind alone is the cause, no? For Sukha Dukkha. What is the use of external world? Ishvara Srishti edukku? La Sukha Dukkathukku naan thane kaaranam. Velila ulagam edukku? Useless ulagam nar. Vijnanavadaha. You will become a Vijnanavadi, Kshanika Vijnanavadi or Buddhist. நீ ஒரு புத்திஸ்ட்டுன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. இல்லை நான் புத்திஸ்ட் இல்லை, நான் வேதாந்திஸ்டன், ஐ ஆம் அத்வைதிஸ்ட்டு. இதெல்லாம் கிடையாது டிக்ஷனரியில், கேட்காதுங்க. அத்வைதிஸ்ட்டு வேதாந்திஸ்ட்டு கிடையாது, நான் சொல்கிறேன் சும்மா. ஐ ஆம் ஏ வேதாந்தின், அத்வைத்தின். ஐ ஆம் நாட் ஏ க்ஷணிக விஜானவாதி. வை? ஹிருதி ஆகாரம் ஆதாத்தும் பாஹ்யஸ்ய அபேக்ஷிதத்வதः. Mind to have that object in the thought, in the form of thought, hridi, mind, in the mind, akara, the image to form, image to generate. The image has to generate. You require what? Bahyartha, bahyasya apekshitatvatah. Bahya world is required. How can I project my mamiyar? First she must be there outside. Bahyasya. Inna mamiyar. I am just, don't mistake me, any mamiyars are here. Okay. See, to project also, it gives pleasure and pain. I should not talk about pleasure and pain. I cannot talk about pleasure and pain without having external object. Bahyasya apekshitaha. Apekshitatvatah. So first I need an external object. My friend or any object, first I need external, then only I project. Without external object, how can I project? That object gives sukha, this object gives dukkha. That this must be there outside first. Bahyasya apekshitatvatah hridi akaram adhatum. Hridi, in the mind, akaram, the image of that object, image of that person, image of that person's dialogues. Adella munnadi irukkanum. Adhatum, to create the image here, you require outside. Bahyasya apekshitatvatah. Therefore, we never say bahya prapancha is a mental projection. We never say external world is a mental projection. We never say. What we say, very important here. People think, many people think world is only our mental projection. Even Vedanta, when we were studying half the way, we think, oh, ellame manasu projection dhaan. No, it's not mental projection. Avan enna solrana, mental projection, sukha dukkha. Therefore, there is no use of this external world. Whatever is there is only pratibhasikam, because projected by your mind, that world is pratibhasikam. He is telling. Namma enna solrana, no. Even to project also you require a external universe. Next point is what? External universe is not projected by me. My own world is projected by me by seeing the external world which is created by Ishvara. Adi vyavaharika srishti. That is not pratibhasika srishti. That is vyavaharikam, relative creation. That is relative srishti. That is a vyavaharika srishti. Then you said in Kaivalyopanishad, Mayyeva sakalam jatam, Mayi sarvam pratishtitam. Kaivalyopanishadla chonnele, நான் என்னோட மூலமாக தான் எல்லாமே வருது உலகம்னா. அங்கே என்னோட மூலமானா நாட்டு மனசு ஆத்மா. ஓகே, மையேவ சகலம் ஜாத்தம்னு சொல்ல இடத்துல ஐ தி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் ஐ ஆம் ப்ரொஜெக்டிங் த வேர்ல்ட். தட் இஸ் ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி. ஐ தி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் ஐ ஆம் ப்ரொஜெக்டிங் த வேர்ல்ட், பட் ஐ தி மைண்ட் இஸ் நாட் ப்ரொஜெக்டிங் த வேர்ல்ட். டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தெரியறதோ? வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஐடியா. Therefore, what we say, world is not pratibhasikam. World is created by Ishvara. What we are talking, Mayyeva sakalam jatam, is also consciousness is projecting the world. It is mithya. We never say it is pratibhasikam. We say it is vyavaharikam. Manasika prapancha required external world. Therefore, external world is not mental projection. Therefore, we are not Buddhists. We are Vedantins. Vyavaharika srishti is there. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ।